Mary, you appeared to the poor Native American Saint Juan Diego to carry forth your message that Native people and all people worship only the one true God. The world today is filled with many false gods. Among these are money, pride, and self-will, which demand my attention and distract me from leading a more virtuous life. I ask for your intercession to help me always recognize the things in my life that keep me from a closer union with your Son. Help me to resist temptation and never lose sight of God and His will for me. Draw me and all those who share this life's journey with me back to the one true God, that all of us might live in His love, now and forever. Amen.